Wait, where are you gonna put the recording?
abcpn.ca.
Oh, okay.
Right. Same spot, same space, yeah, same link. All right. Now, because we only have one, two, three, four, five people here, and then uh, we want everybody joining because Abil is kind of like very hard on you because this one's super super hard on you. Just try your best to understand, okay? And after 20 minutes and after 15 minutes to 20 minutes, and you can choose to leave here because it's gonna be getting harder. It's gonna be level 8. All right. Um, Grace, you are here, right?
Yeah.
It's still gonna be very very hard for you because it's level 5. You're level 4. Um, Ask me questions if you want. I'm gonna ask you some questions regarding those things. Got it?
Okay.
All right. Just a little bit reflection from the last week. Last week's Kiwanis um, competition. I was invited to adjudicate the piano competition, which is Yangzhou Park Memorial piano competition. And there were 5 competitors in this competition. And they're playing very hard pieces, like a classical, like a very classical, and then the international competition level. Okay, very hard, like a Chopin's pieces or Beethoven's sonata or like a Schumann's very hard pieces. And they are basically like adults in the universities or in their professional careers now. And yeah, guess who got the second place? There was a 12 years old like student. Um, he is like 12 years old literally, and he played the hardest pieces ever. And that was uh, that was very amazing demonstration of that one. It's Daniel Thiessen. Daniel Thiessen, 12 years old, got the second place in the adult group. There will be a final concert in May, probably in like 20s or something like that. And then if you want to, you can pay for the ticket to be there. I may have 1 or 2 invitations as my can be going there with me as my guest, of course. And if you want to, you can just let me know. I'll just pick you up there, or just if you want to go with your parents, definitely you can be there. Does that make sense? All right. So let's just go back to this schedule thing. All right. So in when we talk about the theory, so I'm gonna ask because Nicholas and Oscar, you know how to do this one. I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna ask Grace, um, like pitch and notation. Okay, what is pitch? What do you think that is? So, what I think the most thing the outcomes of the Kiwanis, and then just gave me this inspiration that everybody needs to talk, and you don't need to worry about making mistakes in there because everybody's there to express themselves in there. So that's the reason why we join this Kiwanis. All right. So don't be afraid to talk, and if you know the answer, you can just definitely you can just pop up and just talk. Okay. Let's say wait a second. All right. Pitch and notation. Okay. What do you think pitch and notation is? Let's start from Grace.
Um, like like the speed or something?
The pitch is, can you see this stuff? Like this one's treble clef, the bass clef, and we do this one, right? So how high or how low?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what we call pitch, right?
okay.
Yeah. How about keys and scales?
Me?
Yeah,
Like what they are?
yeah. Just
The
something just pop in your mind directly.
notes?
Notes. We got a notation in here. Can you see that? That's the notes.
Uh,
Yeah. So keys and scales. What immediately that you can think about it?
sure.
Wait, Grace, do you have a like a laptop or like iPad with you or phone?
Yeah?
You're using a phone, right?
No, I'm on my iPad.
iPad. Okay, sure. So you can clearly see this page, right?
Yes.
All right. So what do you think the keys? What are the keys, and what does that mean? Do you remember I have a poster in my studio?
Yeah, like the uh
Can you see the
yeah.
po? Yeah, is this the poster?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Is that the key circle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that means what? That's a key. That's keys in the circle.
Oh,
Remember? All right. How about rhythm?
me?
Yep.
Oh,
Anybody wanna jump in and answer this question? How about Gabby? Gabby, unmute yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So what is rhythm?
Rhythm?
Yep.
Oh. Like, um, wait, give me one moment.
Yep. Anybody else? Oscar or Nicholas? I know that you answer. You can just describe what rhythm is.
It's like the pattern of short and long sounds in music.
Use a little bit easier language.
Uh, I don't really know how to describe it in easy.
Yeah. So can you see the ta or tt or tili tili or tika tika?
Yeah.
That's a pattern you just talked about, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's a pattern. So that's this one, for example, in the 4/4 beat, this one is a 1 beat, and this one's like those two are half beat. Does that make sense? And then Grace, do you understand? Those are the patterns. It's called rhythm.
okay.
Okay, so the patterns, got it? All right, so somebody asked me the question. Who asked me the question what intervals are? Grace, did you ask me the question what intervals are before?
I don't think so. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Because in your level 5 or level 4 exams, it's going to be asking you the question of intervals. Did you do this one online? Oh, yes, you asking me the question like this. All right.
I think I did.
Yeah, I'm gonna. You did. You sent me a message and asked what intervals are, right? Okay, now I'm talking about the intervals is the gap or distance between two notes. All right. Now, Grace, do you have the piece of paper with you now?
Yeah.
All right. So what are you gonna write down? Just after the interval, you can do like this. Okay. So interval, and you write down interval there, and then you give them a little bit arrow in here, and just say what distance or gap. Right? We write down distance or gaps. Between what? How many notes? Grace.
Me?
Yeah, how many notes?
3?
No, I just told you it's 2 notes. Got it?
Oh, okay.
Intervals is a gap between 2 notes. All right, the rest of them are gonna be harder for you. I'm gonna ask you what the definitions of those things. Transposition is you move from one key to another. For example, the one key like C major, you're gonna move to like A minor or C minor or whatever. You got it? Chords and harmony is based on all of them. Like this one is C major chords. Okay, this is today we're gonna work on this one later. Melody and composition is like horizontal. So you can see the like melody line or the top voice line like this. Okay, if you connect the notes together. All right. Okay, that's it. So that's the basic map of everything. No matter you're taking level 5 or level 10 or ARCT, they're all in there. All right. And Nicholas, just let you know that because Quina and Arisa, they're not in here, I have already registered for the harmony and counterpoints for level 9 and level 10 as the teachers, the pedagogy. And then after the classes in the summer, I will just let you know how to do that. And you're gonna take your exams after that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Sure. All right, now let's I'm gonna stop sharing for here and let's just do the here. All right. Okay, now it's getting harder. It's getting harder. Grace, this is gonna be your next level's exam.
Okay.
All right. So the first one is what? Pitch and notation, right? Pitch and notation. That means how high or how low those the notes are. Okay. I'm gonna give you a very very general idea like this. All right. So are these notes the same or they're different? Okay. Grace, can you just unmute yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you tell me, are they the same or not? Not the same.
They look different.
They look different, right? So in what way?
Like one's really low and one's really high.
Right. So first of all, we need to take a look at the
clef.
clefs. All right. This one is a treble clef, right? And this one is a bass clef. All right.
Yeah.
So we know that middle C is right in here. That makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
And then the bass clef, the middle C is right in here. All right. Okay. Now, if we expand this this map, this notations in here, so 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4 and another 5, and you can basically move this bass clef here. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay,
Kinda. Okay, so this one is in the 1 and 2 and 3, the third line top down of the bass clef, right? Basically, where is that? 1 and 2 and 3. See that? It's right in here. Okay?
Okay.
And then, are they the same? Now it's very clear. Are they the same?
No.
No. All right. So that's what we called like the pitch. Sometimes you need to figure it out because the first thing you need to take a look at it is the clefs. All right. So that's the most important thing in the first step. All right. And let's see the answers are different. The notes in the treble clef is D, and then the notes in the bass clef is B. Okay, so you just count it like a C and keep counting down like this one. This one is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, that's the page part. And let's move to the rhythm and meter. And in this part, it's kind of like very easy because it is how should I put it? You can see what is different. What else you can see in this music beside the pitch part. All right, I can see something else like this. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 2/4 is time signature. So we know that how many beats in one measure? Okay, how many beats in one measure, and what is the unit beat name? So 2 means half. Okay, so it's half. Okay, half note as one beat in one measure. Got it? And then 4 means there are 4 notes in one measure. That means you don't know what does that mean, right? Oscar, did you see this one before? Have you ever played any like 2/4 notes before?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's very rare because when you do like this, that basically means you put this one into the whole measure. Got it? All right. So the half beat is in here. So how many half beats should be there? 4. So 2. So one whole note is 2 half beats, right? Another one is 4. So we just times 2. Okay, that's the meaning of this thing. Got it, Oscar?
Yeah.
And let's move to the next one. Okay. You know what? Let's do a quick review of the pitch and the rhythm. Okay. Now I'm gonna ask you to do a very short test in here. Let's redo it. All right. So name this note. I'm gonna ask Grace to answer this question. Okay. Name this note. Just remember what is the first thing to do this, Grace? What?
Nothing to what?
What is the first step of just answer this question? Okay. What is the first step?
Look at the clef,
Yeah. So it's treble or bass.
treble,
Very good. So treble, clef, and then where's the middle C? Right in here, right?
mhm,
Okay. Now you gotta think, what is this note, and answer this question for me. Okay, just think about it. Give you half a minute to think. Abiel, you can do it. You do it too. Abiel, are you still there? All right. So let's think about it. So first of all, we need to write down C in here, right? And this on the line. Okay, we mark this one as C. And in this one, in the space is what? B. Okay, that's a space one. Okay, and after B is what, Grace?
A,
Yeah. Then write down A. A is on the line, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And after A is what?
G.
Yeah. G is in the space, right?
Yes.
So the next one is what?
F.
Yeah, F is on the line, right?
Yeah, and then E.
And then E. So the answer is what?
E.
Yes, the answer is E. Okay, this one is level 5's pitch part. Do you have anything else? Yeah, what is this one? You can count it. So there is a easier way of finding some very low or very high notes. You got it? So you got to find the C first. For example, that's a bass clef, right, Grace? And then the bass C is 2 spaces up in here. Or you can find the low C, which is 2 lines up. So you gotta count. That's C and D and then E. You got it. This one is a E. 2 ways. If you don't want to just start from middle C and count down from C to here, the best way is to find the low C, the bass C or low C, and then find the one closer to it and then count up or count down. Does that make sense, Grace?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you to do some more of this pitch finding thing after your exam of the level 4 and level 5. You gotta find all the pitches yourself. Let's keep moving to the next chapter. Okay, rhythm. We know that rhythm is related to the time signature. Now, I'm gonna ask you to think about it. What kind of time signatures did you play before? Let's start from Abil. Yeah, what did you play? Which time signature or what kind of time signature did you play before, Abil? Yeah, go ahead.
The GT.
Yeah, I know that. I mean the numbers. Did you play like a 4/4 before?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what else?
The 3/4.
3/4 and what else? That's it, right?
Yeah.
That's all I play. Okay, how about Gabby?
No.
2/4.
So 3/4, 4/4, and what else? Grace, what else did you play before?
Wait, have I played a 2/4 before?
You haven't played. 2/4 is very rare.
Oh, then no.
Then what
I-
else?
Played a 3/4, 4/4.
3/4, 4/4. How about Happy Farmer?
What is that again?
Happy Farmer is
But she's not beside me right now.
all right. Yeah. So did you play anything like the bottom is 8?
I think so.
Yeah, like 3/8 or 8/8 or whatever. Okay, so that's the numbers. We're gonna fill this one in. Okay, take a look at it. Is the first measure completed? That means, are they the same amount of the numbers of all of the measures? Are they all the same? Yes. So This one's a little bit hard. Oscar, could you answer
Aye.
the question? So it's not anacrosis in the beginning, right?
It's not.
It's not. Okay, so what is a top? So let's think about it. What's the bottom number? So the bottom number is a unit beat. Okay, it's a unit beat. It's either 4 or 8. Okay, 4 means what? Wait a second. Okay, Grace. 4 means what? For example, like a 4/4. Okay, the bottom 4 means what?
Like how many beats there are?
That's the top one.
Oh,
I mean the bottom one. If you see a 4, now do you have a piece of paper with you? Do you have the paper with you, Grace?
yeah.
All right. If it's a 4, then write down quarter. Quarter. Okay?
Yeah.
If it's 8 in the bottom, for example, like 8, 4, okay? 8, 4. So the 8 is what? Write down 8th. Okay? So we know the bottom one is the name of the note.
Like quarter.
Got it? Yeah. Quarter notes. This one's 8th notes. And the top ones are the what?
How many beats there are?
Yes. How many beats in one measure? All right? Okay. Now take a look at it. Do you want to use a quarter as one note, or you want an 8th in as a unit beat? Okay, this one is harder because technically you can do 4/1, which is definitely wrong, right? Like each measure got one beat in here. That's not what it is. Okay. Or you can do what? 8, 2. Okay. If we make this note as one beat, all right. How many beats in one measure? Grace.
Wait, what?
Okay, so if we make a 8th, is this one 8th note?
Yeah.
Okay, 8th note looks like this. Got it? Okay, quarter note looks like this. Half note like this, and the whole note like this. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So that's 8. That's 8th. Right? Or if you want to put two of them together, two of the 8th note together, they look like this. Got it?
Okay.
Right. So if we want to make one eight notes in here as a unit beat, like how many in one measure? Like how many beats, not notes, okay? How many beats in one measure? This one as one note. Oh, sorry. This one as one beat.
Yes.
Okay. So this one's 1, right?
Yeah.
All right. So those 2 are what? How many?
2.
How many beats? Not notes. Notes means like how many notes in this measure? Okay. Answer this one question, Grace.
3.
Yes, 3 notes in here, right? The question I ask you is beats. How many beats in one measure? Okay. Now, because this one is harder, did you study end of the 16th before?
study 16.
Yeah, like, do you have those kind of like two tails together in the Happy Farmer?
I don't know.
Yeah, you did. So Natina,
Oh,
did you play the very faster piece with a right hand da 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 da? Do you
Oh,
remember
yeah.
that one?
yeah,
Yes. Are those 16s?
yeah.
Right. So you learned this one before. Now, but it's harder to understand this one. Okay, and let's find a easier measure. How about this one? Okay, this one's easier, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So what is this rest? Half or quarter or eighth? What the type of this rest?
Half maybe.
Half? No, it's not half. Half looks like this. See that?
Okay.
Yeah. If you see half rest is like this. Remember? Okay. Whole rest is like a what hanging there. Remember this one? The one you hand up in here. Okay. And then the quarter rests like a lightning here. All right. So eighth rest is like this. Got it? So which one is that?
That's the 8th.
Eighth rest. Okay. And we know this one's eighth rest, and we count this one as one beat. Okay? Because that's what we name it as one as a beat. Okay? So that's 1 plus another 1. How many beats in one measure?
2.
Yes. Are they all the same?
Yes.
Yes. So that's an 8, 2. Okay, let's see if I can, because I took so long in there, can I restart attempt? Uh-oh, there are different ones. Let's see if we can find that one. Uh-oh, I don't think I can find exactly the same one. All right. All right, so go back home and take a look at the video, because I cannot find exactly. We have already run out of the time. So that one was a 8-2, 8-2. Okay.
Okay, but where do you see the video?
It's gonna be posted online.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, that's rhythm. Keep going is getting very hard. It's going very hard. The scales and key signatures or intervals and chords, melody writing and those kind of things, right? Okay, let's go quickly take a look at the intervals, because Grace, you asked me the question last week. And in that, I'm gonna find an easier one. Okay, still hard. Okay, let's ignore the question. Let's ignore the question in here. I'll ask a question based on this one. Okay, so is that a skip or step, Grace?
Step.
Yes. From a line to a space, right? From a line to a space. So a step is called second. And that's the name of the interval. Okay? But in the ear training of the level 4, that the exam that you are going to take is gonna be something like major or minor third. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Also like the fifth, triad stuff, whatever.
right. So a fifth, fourth, and a fifth in there. A fourth and a fifth is the interval. Then it's perfect. The perfect sounds very well, very good. Okay, and major and minor third are not that good, and the minor third you wanna think about it as very dark ones. Okay, and then the major third sounds very bright. Okay, that's the difference. Regarding that, we're gonna talk about this one in the class next week, and then let's think about it. Okay, and okay, so okay, now Grace, Gabby, and Abil. The next one is gonna be a little bit hard because it's gonna be Oscar and Nicholas' turn. I think Grace, can you just stay here for a while, and then the rest of them, if you want to leave, you can definitely leave. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, answer this question, Oscar or Nicholas.
Is it perfect?
Okay, I can see. I can hear the echo. I cannot hear what did you see?
Is it perfect fifth?
Yes. You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's perfect fifths, right? And think about the sound of this one. It's very, very good to listen. Da da. It's very, sound very beautiful. Okay. How about this one? If you see two flats in here, what are you gonna do? Nicholas.
Cancel?
Yeah, cancel them. And then what is this? Nicholas. Nicholas?
Sorry, I had to go get a charger. What'd you say?
Answer the question.
Oh, perfect fourth?
Yes. All right. Good. Now, okay. Let's move to level 8. We do have the pitch and what is going on with that. All right. All right. Now let's move to the intervals here. Okay, intervals here for the level 8. Let's start now. Okay, so name this interval. Okay, let's take a look at it. Is this one over like past the octave?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, the past the octave. If you see the two sharps in here, just ignore them. Okay, so that's a C and that's another D. So it's past the octave. So how do you do this? It's major or minor? We know this one is what? Okay,
Major?
Nicholas, yeah, you follow me, and this ninth, got it, from a C to another D.
Alright.
After, if you pass this one, it used to be a major, now it's minor. If it used to be minor, it's now major.
Wait, what do you mean?
All right, so if you answer a major here, the, sorry. Did I? Okay, I answered the minor. Okay, sorry. Yeah, if you answer the major here, then it still be there. It's a major. But if it's a minor, it's still the minor. If we see, for example, let's just go back in here. Oh, we cannot go back. All right, let's move to the next one. Next one. Okay, so Do we have more in here? We have augmented. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If the augment and diminished, let's do this one. Okay. And this one is what?
D.
And this one is what?
C.
Sorry?
Not C, I mean A.
A.
Yeah.
Okay. And all right, so let's just let's do this. Okay. Intervals. Yeah. Here we go. Where is that? All right. Moving the top node down one octave or the bottom one just makes them closer. Got it? Oscar and Nicholas are listening.
Yeah.
All right. Move them together. We'll transform a compound interval to a simple one. Okay, that's we want to make them simple. Once you have identified the simple intervals, simply add 7 to its value to identify the compound interval. Okay. Okay. So this one is, we know this one's D and this one is E, right? So if we put them together is 2 second. Okay. And then with plus 7 is 9. So that's how we do that.
Okay.
Okay. And if it's a major, then it's still a major. If it's a minor, then it's still a minor. If it's diminished, and still diminished, and perfect, it's still perfect. Got it?
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
what is the next step you think the intervals gonna be?
What do you mean next step?
Next step is the inversion. We turn them around.
Oh.
So that means the major become minor and then the diminished become augmented. Perfect still perfect. So that's the thing. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay, very good. So when interval, we invert. We just turn them around. Right? What did I say? Did I say the what? The inversion? Oh, sorry, it's not inversion. It's inverting. Okay, invert the compound intervals. So majors becomes minor, minors become major, perfect still perfect, augmented is diminished, and diminished is augmented. Okay, so for example, this one is augmented 11s. Okay, so if we know this one, let's count it. So this one's C and this one's what? Sharp F, right?
Yeah.
So C and sharp F, they are what? They're 4.
Yeah.
They are 4. It's still augmented force, right? Aug 4. And then we plus what? Plus how? How many?
Plus 7.
Yes. Plus 7 equal 11. That makes sense? Okay. The question will be, what is the inversion of the augmented 11s? Okay?
Diminished 11?
What? No, because
Diminished?
I didn't tell you this one before. Okay. Tole is 16. Tole is 16. You need to use this one to do some abstracting here. Okay. This one minus 11 equal.
Oh, diminished fifth.
What? Yeah, fifth.
Fifth.
Simple mathematics here. And then augmented becomes diminished. You got it? All right.
Yeah.
So this question is easier. We got is what is this? A B, and this one's what? G? Is that G? Right? Where is G? G is running here. Abil, what are you doing here? Okay. So this one is, what is interval between them?
A 6.
Yeah, 6. What 6?
Uh,
Minor 6.
Minor.
And then you just use a plus 7, right?
Yeah.
Equal this thing. And do the inversion. You invert this one to here, which is from the minor to major, and then use the 16 minus 13. Got it? Equals 3. That's how you calculate this one. Now I want you to all right. I'm gonna send this one to the chat. Okay, that's a formula of how you do that. You receive that one in the
Yeah.
in the WeChat. Okay, that's the thing. And now let's do some of the questions of the intervals thing. Okay, name this interval. So we know this one. We're gonna put this one A, right? We're gonna put the A back down to where? It's here. So from D to A is what? The fifth. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 5 should plus what?
7.
7 equal
Well,
12. So what?
no, I didn't say anything.
Yeah. So it used to be what? Perfect?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's now still what?
Perfect.
Yeah. Perfect what? 12.
Perfect.
That makes sense?
Yeah.
Now that's the answer. Okay. Now let's keep moving to this one. This one's too easy. Let's move to the next one. Name is interval. Easy. All right. Easy. All right. So when you see this one, when you do your exams, you got to take a look at it here. This note, this thing.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Because it's very tricky. It's very sneaky to give you this question like this because it's already highlighted, but it's not like give you a yellow or whatever. Okay. We don't have timing here, so yeah. All right. Let's just do another one. Oscar, which part you don't understand?
Like where you like change the interval and then like add numbers and stuff.
Okay. So I want to ask you the first question. We have 2 questions in here. Question 1, Q1, name the interval. That makes sense? Now Q2, name the inversion of the interval. 2 questions. Oscar, unmute yourself.
I
Name the interval. It's definitely over the what? Over octave. That's what we're doing because it's within the octave. It's going to be so easy for you. Does that make sense?
yeah.
Yeah. So over an octave, the first step is what? we make them in one octave.
Okay.
Do you have a pen with you?
Not right now.
Grab one.
Okay.
Step 2 is what? Nicholas? All right.
Oh, I'm muted.
What? Yeah.
No, I was muted.
Okay, step 2 is what? Just don't talk for a while. Let's see if Grace understands this one. Okay, Grace.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your exams is only within one octave. Okay, and then it's not gonna be over an octave for doing the what? Interval. Got it? We're studying interval here.
Okay.
Okay. So if this one's level 8, this one's level 8. So if we want to calculate what is the interval or what? Distance or gap between the how many notes?
Between the
Yeah. How many notes?
the two notes.
Yeah, it's 2 notes. And then if we want to know the gap between them, okay, the first thing is do what? Make them within an octave. It's going to be easy because what is this note? Is that a G?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a G. And where is the lower G? Like in just very near this one.
It's over there, like the line thing.
This one?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is the interval between them? Is step, right?
Mm-hmm.
So step is what?
What?
Step is, what is the interval of step?
Second.
Yes, very good. So second, okay, we know the first answer already. So make within an octave. Okay? And the second step is plus what? We know this number.
2.
No. Okay. Now, because this one is harder, okay? Nicholas, you answered the question. Step 2. Plus
Am I
what?
muted? Plus 7.
Yes. No reason. That's a step 2. Oscar, do you understand now?
You have to add 7 every time.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, you make them within an octave, and second of all, you got this 1 octave interval in here, and then plus 7. That's step 2. Okay? Now, let's think about the question 2. Question 2 regarding, let's say, step 3 and step 4. Okay, so Oscar, Nicholas, can you just take a guess what is step 3?
Step 3, 7, and then step 2, 7, and then step 3 is to subtract.
Yes. What is the number?
16.
Yes. 16 minus the
number we add 7 to.
Yeah, we added into. All right. And what is step 4, Nicholas?
To invert it?
Yeah, invert how?
Remember the major to minor, the perfect, augmented to diminished.
Formula.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a thing that we had before. We call it formula, or we call it formulation or whatever. Just that thing. You know that. Is right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's answer the question 1 or question 2. Altogether is 4 steps. Only question 1 is 2 steps. Oscar, now you understand?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll give you a minute to think about it. If you want to do some notes, you can definitely do that now.
Yeah, I'm writing right now.
Okay. All right. Let's keep. Okay. Let's keep going. I'm gonna delete all of them. All right. So the questions are going to be easier if you understand this one. Let's redo this. All right, name this interval. We know this one is middle C, and this one is E. So we don't do that. Okay, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down there. We're gonna go put this one a little bit lower. So where's the C right in here? From E to C is what? 6. Right?
Yeah.
It's minor 6. We need to plus what?
7.
7. So we got the answer is 13 and then minor 13. Sorry, major 13. Did I do minor?
I think it's because you forgot to invert it.
No, it's not inverted. The answer to the question, no inverted.
But
It's only if it says inversion.
No, because I counted wrong. From E to C is major. That's why. Yeah, so sometimes I make those very silly mistakes here. All right. Easy. All right, inversion. I'm gonna invert this. Okay, so let's do step 1. We're gonna put this one with a C, right? Is that a C?
yeah,
Yeah. So which C? Middle C or this C? Nicholas?
Oh, I'm muted. Yeah.
This C or middle C? Because I just my question was if you just do within 1 octave, you can definitely do middle C. You want to do this C or middle C?
Does it matter?
Yes, it doesn't matter because this one we're gonna put down to 1 octave.
Down just 1 octave.
So that we can plus 7. If not, if we move this one, we're gonna plus what?
14.
No, it's plus 7 plus 8.
Oh well.
Okay, never mind. From D to C is what?
D to C is 7.
7 plus 7, 14.
14.
And 16 minus 14,
2.
2. Right?
Yeah.
So we got the answer is 2. So now used to be what? From D to C. Minor or major?
D to C is major.
What?
No?
D to sharp C is what?
Oh, D to sharp C is D to sharp C.
Yeah, major 7s. Sorry. You got it? Do you know what I mean, right?
What do you mean?
Okay. From D to C is major or minor?
Is it not major?
No, it's not major. It's minor. From D to C sharp is major. Remember?
Oh
Because
no, I see. Yeah.
yeah, because C sharp, if you play them together, it sounds extremely ugly. All right. Okay. So from D to C, we know that one is a what? Minor seventh.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna draw a line here. This is the first three steps. Step one, and then step one, and this one is step two, and this step three. Wait, is that right? Yeah, step three, and this one is step what? 4. Oscar, do you understand now? From minor to what? Major. Why? Because you got to invert it. Oscar?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Now, this is how you do the question of the intervals. And today we're going to only do the intervals in here. So, Grace, you are here because you asked a question about intervals. Okay, can you just quickly
Yeah.
describe to me what the intervals are?
Interval is like the different gap between the notes.
How many notes?
2.
Yes. Or can I ask you this question like this? If there's a chord for like a C major chord, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, if there's a C major chord, the bottom note. How many notes in there in a chord? C major. Try it.
3.
Yeah, 3 notes. How many intervals can you count in that?
2.
All right, I'm gonna write down here. Okay, very good. Now you totally understand. I understand this one. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's change it to another one. Okay, let's do the E major. Okay, 3 notes in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how many intervals in here? Your answer was 2, right? So you mean this one and this one. That makes
Yeah.
sense? Okay. So how about this one? Those two.
What?
That makes sense?
So it's 3.
Yeah.
Uh,
Right. What else did you study? Did you study dominant sevenths?
I don't know. Maybe
Maybe yes. Let's count dominant sevenths. How many notes in the dominant sevenths?
4.
Yeah, 4 notes in here. Then how many intervals in here? You can count into. Like, how about this one? Those two? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then
5.
5. Yeah, 6. There's one more,
Oh.
right? So those two, we got a step. So we got a third, and then this one is 2, 3, 5, and then 5, and then this big one is 7. Got it? From top to the end. That's why it's called seventh notes, dominant sevenths.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Here, where is my stop recording?